The Laws of Human Nature by Robert Greene. The law of irrationality. Often people are dominated by emotions and behave irrationally without realizing it. This is the source of bad decisions and negative pattern in life. Athens prospered when it was led by Pericles in 400 BC, who is believed to be a very rational man. After he left the political arena, Athens started to regress. The advice is this: you need to control your emotions and behave rationally. The law of narcissism. Many people are narcissists, that is, focus on and admire themselves more than others. This hinders their success when interacting with others. Joseph Stalin, Leo Tolstoy, his wife, they were all narcissists. The advice is this: you need to transform self love into empathy. This will make you more successful in your group. The law of role playing. People tend to wear the masks that show them in the best possible light. They hide their true personality. You must master the body language by transforming yourself into a superior reader of men and women. At the same time, you must learn how to present the best front and play your role to maximum effect. Milton Erickson, an American psychiatrist and psychologist of 20th century, was paralyzed when he was young and became a master reader of people body language. The law of compulsive behavior. People never do something just once. Train yourself to look deep within people and see their character. Always gravitate toward those who display sign of strength. The law of covetousness. People continually desire to possess what they don't have. The law of short sightedness. People tend to overreact to present circumstances, ignore what will happen in the future. When making decisions, think about the near and far future. The South Sea Company, a British joint stock company founded in 1711, became known as the South Sea Bubble. It was obvious that the company can't succeed long term, but it did not stop many people from investing in its shares. The law of defensiveness. People don't like when someone is trying to change their opinion. Soften people's resistance by confirming their self opinion. Lyndon Johnson gained his influence and power by focusing on others, letting them do the talking, letting them be the stars of the show. The law of self sabotage. Our attitude determines much of what happens in our life. Change your circumstances by changing your attitude. The example of a Russian playwright who had a tough childhood, but in spite of that, he was able to change his life by changing his view of the world from negative to positive. The law of repression. People who really who they seem to be, lurking beneath their polite, affable exterior, is inevitably a dark shadow side consisting of the insecurities and the aggressive, selfish impulses they repress and carefully conceal from public view. Be aware of your own dark side. Control and channel the creative energies that lurk in your unconsciousness. By integrating the dark side into your personality, you will be a more complete human. Richard Nixon always had a positive image in the public. Everything changed after the Watergate scandal, which showed his hidden personality. The law of envy. People are envious. Learn to deflect envy by drawing attention away from yourself. Develop your sense of self worth from internal standards and not comparisons. The law of grandiosity. Even a small measure of success can elevate our natural grandiosity, an unrealistic sense of superiority, a sustained view of oneself as better than others. Counteract the pull of grandiosity by maintaining a realistic assessment of yourself and your limits. Tie any feeling of greatness to your work, your achievements, and your contributions to society. The law of aimlessness. People become successful when they have a sense of purpose in their life. Develop a sense of purpose. Discover your calling in life and use it to guide your decisions. The law of aggression. On the surface, the people around you appear so polite and civilized, but beneath the mask, they are all dealing with frustration. They have a need to influence people and gain power over circumstances. You must recognize the signs, the past pattern of behavior, the obsessive needs to control everything in their environment that indicate the dangerous type. John D. Rockefeller used aggressive strategies to gain power and control. The law of death denial. Most people spend their lives avoiding the thought of death. The credit goes for this summary to the author as well as an article I follow on the internet by Evgeny Medvedev.